Okay children, now I am going to start about the 5th standard maths, about the measurements. To know the volume of a solid body by informal measurement. Solid body na ஒரு கனமான பொருள். So அதுக்கு எப்படி நம்ம volume கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது. So here they are given situation 1 and situation 2 just like a problem. So we will see this now. Vinba's uncle gave Harry a sweet box. The sweet box contains 10 pieces of sown papri. Now we can tell that capacity of the sweet box is 10 sown papri. So we can tell that volume of the sweet box is the space occupied by 10 pieces of sown papri. That is Vinba's uncle had a sweet box. And the sweet box the 10 pieces of வைக்க முடியுது. ஸோ அப்போ கெப்பாசிட்டி ஆஃப் த பாக்ஸ் அந்த பாக்ஸோட கொள்ளளவு எவ்வளோ அந்த பாக்ஸில் வைக்க முடியும்னா 10 pieces of sown papri. ஸோ வி கேன் சே அப்போ என்ன சொல்ல முடியும் வால்யூம் அந்த பாக்ஸில் எவ்வளோ வைக்க முடியுதோ அதுதான் வால்யூம். த வால்யூம் ஆஃப் த ஸ்வீட் பாக்ஸ் இஸ் த ஸ்பேஸ் ஆக்குபைட் பை த 10 pieces ஆஃப் sown papri. ஸோ வால்யூம்னா என்ன எத்தனை பீசஸ் அதில் வச்சுருக்கோம் 10 pieces. அந்த 10 பீசஸும் அந்த பாக்ஸ் ஃபுல்லாக occupy பண்ணிடும். So that is known as the volume. So this is the volume only we are going to say in this measurement. And second one is Kuralini arranged her books in a school bag. So you also children you also might have arranged the school bag in some of the books in your school bags. She kept 5 books in her bag. Hence we can say that capacity of the bag is 5 books. So on the bag la 5 books வைக்க முடியும். ஸோ அப்போ அந்த கெப்பாசிட்டி அந்த பேக்கில் எத்தனை புக்ஸ் வைக்க முடியும் அடுக்க முடியும் அப்போ 5 books. கெப்பாசிட்டி ஆஃப் த பேக் இஸ் 5 books. ஓகே ஸோ 5 books the volume of the 5 books. அப்போ அந்த 5 புக்ஸோட வால்யூம் எது 1 bag. 10 sown papriயோட வால்யூம் எது 1 sweet box. ஸோ the volume of 1 book is the volume of 1 book. 1 book is 1 by 5. அந்த பேக்கில் 1 பேக்கில் 5 புக்ஸ் எடுக்க முடியும். So the capacity of the container is the utmost quantity of an item the container can hold. Capacity of the container na இந்த பேக்லேயோ ஒரு பாக்ஸ்லேயோ இல்லை ஒரு சூட்கேஸ்லையோ எவ்வளோ நீங்கள் திங்ஸ் வைக்கிறீங்க எவ்வளோ பேக் பண்ணுறீங்க எவ்வளோ ஷர்ட்ஸ் பேண்ட்ஸ் ட்ரெஸ்ஸஸ் வைக்கிறீங்க தட் இஸ் த குவான்டிட்டி ஆஃப் அன் ஐட்டம். எத்தனை குவான்டிட்டிஸ் கொடுக்குறோமோ தட் இஸ் த வால்யூம். ஸோ வால்யூம்னா என்ன வால்யூம் இஸ் த சாலிட். Volume is a solid is the space occupied. நீங்கள் வைக்கிற பொருள் வந்து அந்த பிளேஸில் எவ்வளோ தூரம் அந்த பேக்கில் இருக்குது that is occupied by the solid that is known as the volume. Okay, that is known as the volume. So here they are given the exercise. என்ன எக்ஸசைஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா take the object which has the more volume. Here apple and watermelon they are given the pictures. I will just write the name of the pictures and you can tick the correct answer. So this is such an easy one only. So exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. So here apple they are given the picture and watermelon. Take the object which has more volume. Take the object which has more volume. எந்த object அதிகமான space அதிகமாக இருக்கு. So they are given the apple. So I just write this. I doesn't want to draw apple or watermelon. So எது space அதிகமாக பிடிக்கும் which is the bigger here watermelon. So that only will occupy the more space. So that is the watermelon. And then they are given water bottle and then water drum, plastic drum. So which is bigger water bottle or the plastic drum? Plastic drum only will take the more volume. Then chair, they are given the chair picture and a table. So which occupies the space more? எது அதிகமாக இருக்கோ வெயிட்டில் இருக்கோ that only will occupy the space more. So table. Then book, they are given the book picture and then the back picture. So which occupies the space? Either adhigamana space pidikona back. So you put the tick mark in the back. Then pencil. So such a small pencil and pencil box. So which will take the more space? That is pencil box. And understand the object which has the more volume. And arrange the given objects according to the volume. Here they are given football, tennis ball and plastic ball and volleyball. So which has the, according to the volume, no? Was the small one, this yellow color and green and blue and this one. Okay. Then they are given the sweet box, a Bible and a eraser and a suitcase. So you can arrange it first eraser and then the sweet box and then this diary and the suitcase, from smaller object to the bigger object. And then they are given the cot, pillow, then mat and sofa. So you can put, first is the pillow, then second one is the mat and third one is the sofa and fourth one is the cot. So like that you have to arrange from the smaller object to the bigger object. Okay. Then next one is, they are given the measurement here. So this will see. Arrange the given objects according to the volume. So I just write this. First one they are given volleyball, then plastic ball, then cricket ball, then football. So according to the volume, we have to be given objects. So first we can put smaller one, plastic ball, and then cricket ball. So they given the picture, but I am writing the object of name of the objects. And then football, and then volleyball. Okay. So this is the way of arranging the according to the volume. Then second one, sweet box. Sweet box they are given. Then diary. Then eraser and suitcase. So first is which one? First we can put the eraser answer. Eraser you can write. And the next in the box on the sweet box we can write. Then third one is diary. And fourth one is suitcase. Okay. From the smaller object to the bigger object. Then the third one, they are given a cot. You know the cot, cot, pillow, then bed and sofa. So which one we will arrange? First one, pillow we can write answer. Pillow is the small pillow. And then bed. And then sofa. And then cot. Okay, this is a way of writing the arranging the given objects according to the volume. And now the next one is, they are given the activity 1, activity 2 and activity 3. So measure the height of the water level by put the object into a beaker. They are given the beaker and the measurements also in this. So you have to mark millimeter and centimeter with a scale in a glass. So measure the height of water level. Measure the height of water level. By put the object into the beaker. So here they are given the beaker and they are given the measurement also. Here 20, then 40, 60, 80 and then 100. So from here they are given 100, 20, 40, 20, 40, 60, 80, okay. 80, 60, 40 and 20. This is 20 and in between the 5. Okay. And this is the water level. Water level is up to this. They are given the water level here. So you can take one glass tumbler or anything. Write the measurements with 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. Okay. So this is the water. So you have to mark it. And now you mark a millimeter and the centimeter with a scale in your glass and then fill the water at the 0 level. So 0 level water fill pannittu put a marble into the glass. So marble potatu and then note the water level like that. You can put eraser, coin, stone, potato and tomato and write the water level in the millimeter. Like this here also. Take some water in a beaker and mark in its level like this and take a solid. Solid means that is a potato. So the potato potu parunga. Appa water level, see the whether the water level and the evlo durom increase agudhu. Okay. Like that the third activity and the third one is take a 2 sheets of the same size, that is a rough paper also you can take, and using a scissor and a glue you make a cylindrical and cubical boxes and cover that with a sand, both on the cubical box and the cylindrical box you covered with sand. And then take a bucket and fill the bucket with water and mark the level also, the water line. Here you see the water is filled in the bucket and that you put B means before. That is things the water level is. After that, you now dip the sand filled cubical box. In the cubical box dip the water level will get increases. So what do you observe? When you put a heavy object, the water level increases to the bucket level. Okay. Now finding the volume of unit cubes. So volume the cylindrical, cubical it will come in cubic units. So finding the volume using unit cubes. So we shall measure the volume of the solid objects by using the cubes. So unit cubes are with a dimension of length, breadth and height. So on the unit cubes every measure pannuvom cubic centimeter varumbodhu unit cubes are measured. So cubes la measure pannumbodhu length and then breadth and height. So this is the way of measuring the cubes. So length or unit that is equal to 1, breadth is 1 and height is also 1. So how many 1 is there? 1 centimeter. 1 cube is equal to, or cube pathina 3 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 27 units. ஸோ இந்த க்யூப் எல்லாருமே பார்த்துப்பீங்க. ஸோ இந்த க்யூப் வந்து 3 pieces are there. ஸோ 3 into 3 into 3 that is equal to 27 units. So the cube can be filled with 3 layers and 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay. So length, breadth, height. So 3 into 3 into 3 that is equal to 27 units. Okay. And then the same thing here. They are given the activity 4, that is a picture. They are given a book and a pencil box. So the dimension of the objects are mentioned. We have to write the answer in this. Say for the book they are given length of a book. Length of a book. I didn't draw the book. They are given as a 10 centimeter and breadth that is equal to 1 centimeter and height 6 centimeter. Okay, we have to find the cubic units. Volume of a cube. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So that is equal to 10 into 1 into 6. That is equal to 10 ones are 10. 10 into 60 centimeter. Okay. Like that, the pencil box they are given length of a pencil box. Length of a pencil box. That is equal to how much? 6 centimeter. Breadth. Breadth of a pencil box. They are given the picture, but I have written like a statement. Breadth is 2 centimeter. Height of a pencil box. That is equal to 1 centimeter. So volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So that is equal to 6 into 2 into 1. So 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12 centimeter. Okay. So here also they are given the some of the exercises. So volume எழுதும்போது cubic centimeter. இப்படி எழுதுங்க. Cubic centimeter. Okay, cubic centimeter. So in this volume, if they ask, means multiplying the dimensions. You have to multiply the length, breadth and height. So length of a book is 10, breadth of a book is 1 and height is 6. So volume kandupra length into breadth into height. So 10 into 1 into 6. 10 ones are 10, 10 6 are 60. 60 cubic centimeter. Volume kandupra they are cubic centimeter. And here the pencil box, length of a pencil box is 6 centimeter and the breadth of a pencil box 2 centimeter. Height of a pencil box 1 centimeter. So volume length into breadth into height, that is 6 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 12 cubic centimeter. So can you understand, children? This is the way of finding out the volume of the cube. So units may be centimeter le eduthalam, meters le eduthalam, but if they are asking in centimeter, means you have to write cubic centimeter. Okay. So then the sums they are given, notebooks and then name of the board. Complete the given table. So this we will do it in the next class and go through the sums. Go through the sums, children. What all we have done in the board, you have to copy down in your classwork and write down everything, the question, how we have written, finding the volume of a unit cube. You write down what all you have written on the board and write down in your classwork and everything. Put the date and write everything so that we can follow it. Okay, children? So in the next exercises, we will see in the next class. Thank you.